Hi Jochen, it's Joe here. I met you at the Mercedes launch of your new car. So what I'm doing today is, I promised to you, I was going to show you how to make my salmon marinade. I'm going to do about 1 kilo of salmon, just on about 1.2 kilos of salmon, and I'll show you later how that's going to be prepared. But first of all, I'll put about this much oil into the actual saucer here, to the bowl. So that's how much oil I'm going to use roughly, and what I'll do is I'll add a bit more as I go along, depending on how much oil I think it's going to be enough. Then I'm going to add some soy sauce, and you can choose to put salted or unsalted. Don't put too much soy because it'll make it too salty. I don't put any salt into this mixture, so roughly about that much. So it's just in there. Then I'm going to add some sweet chili. Now the sweet chili, what it does, it actually makes it caramelize. So when you go to cook it, it gives it that beautiful caramelized edge on it. So don't put too much, put about a teaspoon of it. So that's it there. I'm just going to grab a spoon. And we're just going to give that a stir. So the ingredients all just mix up together. And what you'll see, that what we're trying to do is just get it to a consistency. Alright, it's probably going to need, no, it's alright. I was going to put a bit more soy in there. Not too much, that's plenty. So we just use extra virgin olive oil, some soy sauce and some sweet chili. Alright, so I'll leave that over here. What we're going to do is we're going to chop up some parsley, and we're going to throw the parsley in as well. This is just fresh parsley from the shop. Once you've chopped this up, we're going to throw, depending if you like garlic, I choose to put in about 2 lots of garlic in there. We're going to throw that straight into there. Okay. Then we're going to get a couple of garlic cloves. If you don't like garlic, you don't have to put it in, so it's up to you. So once you've done this, you're going to mix all the ingredients up. And once you've put all the ingredients, we're going to give it another stir. Now the garlic, I just chop up like this because I just wanted to, I usually sometimes mash it up so it actually looks a bit more like a paste than garlic pieces. But what I tend to do, I just chop the pieces up into random sizes. And what it's tend to do is just going to infuse the actual mixture, so that when I put the salmon in there, it's going to take it on. Alright, so there's one. Okay, the second one. So just depends how strong you want this to be with garlic flavour. It's really up to you. But I'm having guests over tonight, so I don't think they mind the garlic. So I'll put that all together. Give that a bit of a stir. As you can see now, that's the marinade that I've put together when I spoke to you about when we were together. And you can see it's a very thick sort of consistency, and that's how you really want it, so that when you put your pieces of salmon in there, it's going to take up all those beautiful aromas that I've put through there. Your garlic, your parsley, sweet chili, the soy, and the extra virgin olive oil is just your carrier. It's going to need just a little bit more oil, not by much, because there is 1 kilo of salmon going in there, but I'm not going to put too much, just a little bit more. And what I'm going to put into this as well, and what you can do if you go to the shop and buy this, but I've already made chilies in a jar. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a clean spoon and I'm going to put some of this, and all this is just chilies being chopped up. So they're in virgin olive oil, and all I've done is just, I'm going to put about that much, a teaspoon of chili into there, maybe just a little bit more. Okay, and we're going to stir that through, and that's going to give it a nice little kick as well when you put it together. So there's your chilies going through. So that's your marinade.